Barrera explained that soil is a natural resource essential for plant growth and agriculture. He emphasized soil conservation and proper management to prevent degradation and maintain long-term productivity. Neil C. Brady and Ray R. B. They define soil as a dynamic system made of minerals, water, earth, organic matter, and living organisms. They highlighted soil's ecological function such as nutrients, cycling, water storage, and supporting ecosystems. Harry O. Bachman and Neil C. Brady. They focus on soil formation through weathering and decomposition of rocks and organic matter. They emphasize soils as the main medium for plant growth and agriculture. MC Arbiste, G. Vasquez, and Ward Chisworth 2008. They emphasize soil's role in global environmental systems such as climate regulations, carbon storage, and sustainability. They view soil as a part of Earth's interconnected systems. Hans Jenny developed the soil formation equation, showing the soil formation depends on climate, organism, relief, and parent material and time. Vasily Dokochev established soils as an independent natural body formed by environmental environmental factors and is considered the father of soil science. Pedological and Edapological approach. Pedological is the study of soil formation, classification, and distribution in nature. It explains how soils develop and differ from one place to another. Edapology is the study of soil in relation to plant growth